Hey everybody, we're in Tavira, which is a city in Portugal, very close to the Spanish border. And as you can see, it's been rainy and stormy, and as you can also probably see, the river is very high right now. Running along, you can see there's a bridge there, a walking bridge. Actually, you don't need to see me. Let's do a little pan.
Yeah, that river is high. Coming right up under that bridge.
And that is the east side of Tavira. And this river runs down to the ocean, which is a little ways down. All right, here's the little riverside section of the town. Oh, it's a gray day. It must be brilliant in the sun. Yes, it's a stormy day in Tavira. The river is muddy and high. Little Tavira street. This is the old bridge over the River Glau. And we are heading to the west side of Tavira, where the castle is. Will we look at the castle? I just don't know. Hey everybody, so we've had a rainy trip to Tavira, and we're going to move on to the next stop on today's beach town hop between Tavira and back to Lagos. So our next one is Faro, I think. If it isn't, sorry.